Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel. This clip people have been asking, was it taste? Was it like? Is it earthy? Is it sticky? Is it crunchy? Is it nice? Of course, I'll have to answer those questions now. Okay, this clay is not sticky, one, and the taste is just second to none. Like, I don't know I don't know how to express it. I don't know how to put it, but this is actually the best for me. I like taking it. I like taking it a lot. Then come to talk of being sticky, is not sticky. Like, is okay and crunchy. Of course it is. It's very crunchy, very tasty, very nice. Very nice. So please like and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're not done it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you so much.